Let's draw a beautiful house together. I am super excited for this project. First, I am going to draw a house. I live in this house with myself, my dad and my mom. My house has so many bricks, doors and windows. Now I am going to draw myself. I am super excited. Now I am gonna draw my dad. We go for a walk outside the house every day. We look happy. Now I am going to draw a car. We have a car. It's parking outside the house. Now let's draw some trees. Wow, it is already looking very good. I am loving it. Let's draw some. Oh, an aeroplane. I love watching airplanes. Now let's draw some clouds. Oh, and a sun. Big line, small line, big line, small line. Drawing sun is so much fun. Some more clouds and ta-da! Let's color it. Yellow. Blue. Wow, it is looking very good. Green, because the trees are always green. Red. The roof of my house is red. Yellow. Gray. Which color should we pick next? I am thinking about picking pink. Oh, the door is pink. Look, it's looking very good. Now I am going to color myself. Blue. Now let's color the car. Sky blue. Yellow. Now I am coloring the clouds. The clouds are blue. And ta-da! This is my house. I live inside my house with my family. We live so happily. See you next time.